Ruchit Jain from Angel Broking is now joining us. Ruchit, what do you make of this selling pressure? 95 points down for the Nifty, headed for the one of the worst closing that we've seen for a while.
Yeah, good afternoon, Pankaj. In fact, since last many days we are already seeing this lower top, lower bottom formation. But Pankaj, one thing noticeable over here is it's been 10 months since we have corrected from this high of 9119, which was formed. And the channel in which the Nifty is trading since last 10 months now, after this correction, markets are trading very close to the lower end of the channel. The lower end of the channel support end is coming between 7350 to 7300. So we believe that markets would take support in this range of around 7350 zone. So which is not much far from current levels. So we are advising our clients not to short in the index at current levels, since the downside could be very limited from current levels, and somewhere between 7350 to 7300 market should take strong support and again rebound higher from those levels. So I think around 7350 one should start creating long positions in the index in near term.
Right, but as of now, you would recommend, or you would expect that markets have to form a base? I mean, we are just falling for no reason. So you think markets has to form a base before we see a correction? An up rally of this correction?
Pankaj, I think since the correction that we are talking about in last 10 months is, if I talk in Elliott wave terms, then it's a triple correction. And we are now in the last leg of the triple correction. So generally, I think that up move would also be very sharp. If you wait for the base is generally considered when the markets consolidate in sideways range for some period of time, where we believe that some accumulation is going on. But I think once this leg of this correction gets over, the rally would also be very sharp. So if anyone is waiting that after a up move one would look to buy, or after a decent consolidation one would buy, then I think the buying could come at much higher levels. I think one should take a risk in this market around this 7350 rather than waiting, because the risk reward would be very much favorable over there. One can keep a stop loss below 7250, about 100 points of stop loss, and one can get a decent upside again up to 7700 in next 1.5 months.
Ruchit, just stay on with us. Want to take a break, come back. I want to discuss some stocks on the other side. Markets are just melting down, 100 points down. Mid-cap index is falling in much more. We are heading in towards one of the lowest close that we've seen. Ruchit is still with us. Ruchit, how is the ADAG pack looking in? That was probably one of the only spaces of strength. And you think people have been forced to sell their position over there?
Pankaj, we already had seen a decent up move in these stocks, especially this Reliance Infra, Reliance Capital. And now what we are seeing that the mid caps are getting sold into since last 15 days. There have been a very good selling pressure in the mid cap stocks, and generally when such mid cap there is a sell off in the mid caps, then obviously we can expect some profit booking in these stocks. Although even after this sell off, the longer term trend which it had shown in last 5-6 months, it would continue to be up. Major support for stocks like Reliance Infra would come in the range of 450 to 460, and hence in that range one can again start look to accumulate Reliance Infra. Overall, I think rather than mid cap, this is a good time to get into the large cap stocks. Large cap stocks have corrected significantly, and some of them are trading quite close to their long term support levels. So I think over here, rather than looking at mid cap, one should shift their focus onto the large cap stocks and try and buy some large cap names over here.
Right. Thank you, Ruchit, so much for taking out time for us. Always a pleasure talking to you. That was Ruchit Jain of Angel Broking, saying that we are closer to a bottom, 7,350. That's essentially what he would be looking at. Just about 2 minutes remaining for closing.